How to manage notifications for kayak.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily manage your notification settings in kayak.com. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to kayak.com. Go to your profile in the top right and head over to your account. To notifications, you can toggle off the notification for travel hacker tips. You can toggle off the notification for special offers, great getaways, and then just leave on the notifications for notifications that you want to receive. So it's as simple as that to enable or disable notifications in your kayak.com. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.